Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Pixel Buds. First, make sure your Pixel Buds are fully charged and resting inside their charging case. Then, simply open the case lid while holding it close to your Android smartphone. Your phone should automatically detect the earbuds and display a pairing notification. This quick step initiates the connection, allowing you to proceed with the setup seamlessly. It's designed for a very straightforward and user-friendly experience. Once you see the pairing notification pop up on your phone, tap it to continue. Your device will then walk you through a few simple steps to confirm the connection between your Pixel Buds and your phone. This process often involves accepting terms or confirming device names. The dedicated Pixel Buds application will then launch, providing further guidance for a complete and personalized setup experience, ensuring everything works perfectly. After successful pairing, dive into the Pixel Buds app to explore advanced settings. Here, you can customize various aspects, including sound profiles and the intuitive touch controls on each earbud. Discover features like adaptive sound, which automatically adjusts volume based on your environment, and the handy Find Device option, which helps locate misplaced earbuds. Take a few moments to personalize your listening experience for maximum enjoyment. If you encounter any difficulties during pairing or use, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Pixel Buds by placing them back in the case and closing it for 10 seconds. Always confirm that Bluetooth is active on your phone. If problems persist, a factory reset of your Pixel Buds, performed through the app, can often resolve most issues, giving you a fresh start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.